Hi there, Chef Mia Melissa with Flavors of New York coming to you from Larchmont. Today we are at Turquoise restaurant and I cannot wait to see what Chef has prepared. Let's go inside and check out the goodies. Here with Chef Mustafa at Turquoise restaurant. Thanks so much for having us today. How long have you been working at Turquoise?
I've been working like 18 years over here.
Tell us about your menu. It's a delicious Turkish menu. Walk us through some of the highlights and the menu in general.
Thank you very much. You guys visiting me. And then I have Turkish Mediterranean cuisine. Everything is over here I made. 99% is gluten-free food. Everything is pre-made when you order it, like baba ganoush, lamb chop, lamb shish kebab, fish, everything. Whatever you name it, everything is being cooked for you when you order.
You guys also have a bar as well?
Yes, we have full liquor, wine, Turkish beer, Turkish wine, and cocktails. We do everything.
These look absolutely amazing. Can you tell me the name of what this dish is and how you prepared it?
This is the Turkish food. This comes from the Ottoman Empire. Lamb sirloin and eggplant puree. I added like cheese and then sauteed and then 1, 2, 3.
The Turkish delight looks amazing. Can you talk to me about this dish?
Thank you very much. It's lovely and healthy, very healthy dish. I prepped with carrots, and zucchini, broccoli, and mushroom. I sauteed and I put the hummus and rice.
Let's dig in and see what this tastes like. Oh wow, you can taste like the dill, the fresh herbs, the eggplant, the creaminess of the cheese. Really, really good. When you come to Turquoise, make sure you get the Hünkâr Bandi. It is so good. All right, let's check out this Turkish delight. I love hummus, broccoli, veggies, everything turkey. Very good seasoning and flavor, crunchy, perfectly prepared. So here we have two classic kebabs, quintessential to Turkish cuisine. We have a chicken kebab served with salad and rice, and then a lamb kebab also served with salad and rice. And I love how it is just charred and grilled to perfection, and now let's see how it tastes. Perfectly seasoned with salt. You can taste the caramelization. Spot on, delicious. I'm ready to dig into this lamb. So good. Is this just salt or is there a secret flavor on here?
Salt and garlic and onions.
The garlic and onions give it a very nice flavor. Check out this delicious bronzino, grilled to perfection. One of my favorite dishes, especially for Mediterranean food. It's like a party on my palate. So simple, so fresh, so delicious. So you can also get this filleted or whole?
Yes, you can. If
Awesome.
you want, whatever you want.
Great.
Whole, flat, you can do it.
Great. Other factoids about Turquoise is that they are located in the village of Larchmont, which is a really cute, quaint town, 30-minute train ride, quick ride into New York City, lots of local shops, restaurants, eateries, just great, fun, family-oriented area. And they also do takeout. So you can, if you work in a local office or a company around here, takeout. They also do delivery, and they even do catering. So if you have an event in Westchester in the immediate area, they could even cater your party. My favorite thing, personal thing about Turquoise is that most of their menu is gluten-free. They have gluten-free falafels. Obviously, rice is naturally gluten-free, but majority of it is gluten-free. So somebody like me with gluten-free allergies truly does appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
So Chef Mustafa, thank you so much for having us here today. I cannot wait to finish my feast. I'm gonna tell everybody I know to come down, their mothers and grandmothers and then some. So anyways, get on over to Turquoise and Larchmont next time you're in the area. I'm Chef Mia Melissa with Flavors of New York, signing off. Ciao.
Thank you. Bye-bye.